In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Miro board to a PDF. This is a handy skill to master, particularly if you need to share your board with colleagues or clients who may not have access to Miro. By exporting it to a PDF, you ensure that your ideas and designs are accessible to anyone. First, let's head over to the Miro board home screen. This is your main hub where all your Miro boards are conveniently stored and easily accessible. You'll want to navigate to your browser and open Miro either by typing in the URL www.miro.com or by selecting it from your bookmarks if you have it saved there. From here, log in if you haven't done so already. Once you're in the Miro dashboard, take a moment to locate the specific board you wish to export. Click on the board to open it. This will give you access to all the tools and features associated with your board. Now that your board is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll notice various icons. Among these, you'll find the export icon, usually represented by an arrow or similar graphic indicating export functionality. Clicking on this export icon will present you with several options for saving or sharing your board. For our purposes, look for the option labeled Save as PDF. This choice will help you convert your visual content from the interactive board format into a static document format, which is perfect for printing or sharing digitally with others. Once you've selected Save as PDF, a new dialog or pop-up should appear on your screen. This pop-up will generally offer you further options regarding the export settings. While these might vary slightly depending on any updates or your account settings, typically you will have the opportunity to refine what part of your board you wish to export. You might want to export an entire board or just a portion of it, and this is where you can make those adjustments. After ensuring that your settings are correct and you're satisfied with what will be included in your PDF, the next step is to click on the Export button. This action will begin the process of converting your Miro board into a PDF file, saving it to your device's designated Downloads folder or your chosen directory. And that's it. You now have a PDF version of your Miro board, which is ready to be shared, printed, or archived as you see fit. This simple process enhances the utility of your Miro boards, making them more versatile in how they can be accessed and utilized by you and others. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in showing you how to export your Miro content efficiently.